Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to clean your Evo X or Ralliart engine bay. Now, I know it won't show up as much on camera, but my engine bay is completely filthy. So the valve cover, nuclear piping, all the plastics, everything's really dirty. So I want to give it a clean up today. I did make this video previously, it was my first video, but I got copyright striked for that, so I thought I'd just remake it, go into a bit more detail and show the process. So what we'll use is some sort of degreaser or all-purpose cleaner. So I use Carpro Multi-X. You could use this Bowden's Orange Agent or anything similar. So we need one of those, a few different brushes. I like to use wheel brushes. So I've got some car soap here mixed up, our foam cannon and pressure washer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to cover up anything we don't want to get wet. So what I'll do is I'll either generally remove or cover the pod filter. In this case I might just remove it, it'll be easier, and just put a bag over the MAF housing and the sensor, and then we'll put a plastic bag over the ECU here, and sometimes I just like to put a bit of plastic down over these headlight plugs and possibly the alternator. I don't usually do that, but we'll do it today just to be safe. So yeah, I've got all that covered up. Right guys, so I've taken the pod filter off. I've covered up the MAF housing with this bag that I've zip tied on to keep extra safe. Covered up the ECU and put some plastic down the bottom there at the alternator. So yeah, we should be all safe now. I basically do this to mine and my fiance's Ralliart all the time. Never had any issues, so you definitely can wash your engine bay. Anyone tells you you can't and it'll cause problems, just have a look at the bonnet setup on an Evo X or a Ralliart. There's lots of areas for water to get through, so they do make it safe. Just as long as you cover up your filter. If you have the factory airbox, you'll be fine. And yeah, just cover up something like this and your alternator just to be extra safe, but yeah, you will be fine. So what I'll start off is I'll just cover the underside of the bonnet with the all-purpose cleaner and just go at it with a brush. So yeah, I'll just put the GoPro on my head so you can sort of see what I'm doing the whole time, and we'll go step by step on how I clean this filthy engine bay and make it look good again. To start off, we're going to get this Carpro Multi-X, which is the all-purpose cleaner. I'm just going to spray it. Going to get this as spread out as much as we can. Then we will grab this wheel brush and just try and work it in. So now we'll do the same thing and just spray this all-purpose cleaner all around the engine bay. Alright, so once you have all the all-purpose cleaner worked in, just grab your foam cannon and we're just going to cover the entire area. Then we'll grab our long wheel brushes, just sort of get down into anywhere that you couldn't really get before.
Perfect.
Okay, and then once the snow foam's started to settle in, it's all starting to drip away, we'll rinse it away. So you can use your high pressure hose as long as you don't get in close, or you can just grab a normal garden hose, but I'll use this today. Just definitely keep it away. Obviously don't want to get it down in here onto any wiring or hosing or anything like that, so we're just going to keep our distance. Okay, so we've got that all dry now, rinsed off, sorry. So next thing we'll do, just want to get all this water off. So easiest way is a leaf blower or compressed air, and just sort of get the majority off. Definitely need to fix this guy up, which I'll do later. But yeah, so we'll grab our leaf blower, blow out the majority of the air, and we'll get some microfiber towels and dry off the rest. Alright, so I've got some CarPro X2O diluted up, so it's the quick detailer. Have a video on how to make up your own quick detailer like this, if you want to check that one. But yeah, so we're just going to use this and just sort of give a bit of protection to these painted areas. If you notice when I was rinsing this off, it's actually getting a lot of beads onto this valve cover. that's just from using this. Even after we've used the all-purpose cleaner on here, it's still sort of beading up as though it's got some protection. So yeah, this stuff really works well. Get this on this intercooler piping too. So this intercooler piping, I'm actually thinking I will paint black soon, as well as this blow-off valve piping and the intake piping. So sort of have the blue and black theme. Did like this stainless look, but yeah, I think about time for a change. Or I get this in titanium. Still trying to work out which way to go. So if you have just the plastic engine cover, probably instead of using this one, we will grab this one here, which is Carpro Pearl, diluted 3:1. And this one's good for your plastics and rubbers. So this towel's probably a bit wet. But yeah, any sort of plastic trim product, Pearl's definitely the best option, as it's the cheapest. You can buy it, you use it on your tyres at 1:1 or just straight undiluted. Use it at 3:1 on interior and exterior plastics, 5:1 if you want a less glossy look and more satin. So yeah, that's what I use. But yeah, it's not working too well with this damp towel that I have. Yeah, there we go. So now have a clean engine bay, so we can remove any of the plastic we put on. And we'll cut the zip tie off, put our pod filter back on, and then wash the rest of your car. So yeah, I'm not sure how well it'll pick up on camera, but it was completely dusty before. Still need to use some metal polish on this intercooler piping. That's why I want to paint it black now instead. Be easy to keep clean. But yeah, all the dust and dirt is gone. Yeah, it's looking a lot cleaner under here. So yeah guys, that's how I wash my engine bay, my Evo 10 and my Fiance's Ralliart. Easy to do, can be daunting if you're worried about getting water in there, but trust me, you'll be fine. What I'll do is I'll put the pod filter back on now and I'll start the car up just to show you that it's completely fine. And just to show you that it's completely safe to do, I'll start my car up. So there you go guys, that's how you can clean your Evo 10 Ralliart engine bay. I'm going to wash the rest of the car now, as after doing that, the rest of it's filthy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe. Put any questions below if you have any, and I'll answer you when I can. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys next time.